Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing geography, second chapter, physical features of India. In that exercise part, we are discussing question number 5. Which are the major physiographic divisions of India? Contrast the relief of the Himalayan region which with that of peninsular plateau. See the answers now. The main physical features divisions of India: the Himalayan mountain, the peninsular plateau, northern plains, fourth one the Great Indian Desert or the Indian Desert, fifth one coastal plains, sixth one the islands. We have to see that two main important regions, that is Himalayan and peninsular plateau. First, Himalayan region. Engfold mountains made from the uplift of state formed by the sedimentary rocks. Peninsular plateau created from igneous and metamorphic rocks after splitting of Gondwana land. Second point, consists of the loftiest mountains and deep valleys, consist of border and shoal valleys and rounded hills. Next point, the ranges have I-shaped and U-shaped valleys. It has forests, rift valleys and troughs. Next point, it is the origin of perennial river and it has rain-fed seasonal rivers. Last point, from the point of view of geology, this region forms an unsettled zone. This region forms a settable zone. The next question, give an account of northern plains of India. The northern plains have been formed from the alluvium that mountains, rivers deposited here. This turned the soil on the surface land fertile for growing a rich harvest of variety of crops. This led to the development of Indus River Valley civilization. The rich soil was further added by favorable climate and consist water supply from the river. Between the mouths of Indus and the Ganga, Brahmaputra, the North India plain covers distance 3,200 kilometers. It is 300 to 150 kilometers wide at some places. The North Indian plains have the Indus River system in the east. The first includes Jhelum, Chanaba, Ravi, Base, Sutlej. The Indus flows into the Arabian Sea. The second includes Ganga, its tributaries, and the Brahmaputra, which combine as a Meghine as they drain into the Bay of Bengal. They form the world's largest and fastest growing delta. The difference in relief has led the North Indian plains to be divided into 4 zones, that is Bhabhar, Tarai, Bangar and Khadar. Let's move for the next question. Write a short note on the following. First one is the Indian desert or the Great Indian Desert. The Indian desert lies between the western migrants of the Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating sandy plain covered with the sand dunes called branches. This region receives very low rainfall, below 150 millimeters per year, that is 15 centimeter. It has a arid climate with low vegetation. Covers streams, appears during the rainy season. Soon after, they disappear into the sand as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Luni is the only large river in this region. Second point, the part of the peninsular plateau laying to the north of the Narmada river, covering a major area of Malwa plateau, is known as the Central Highland. The Vindhya range is bounded by the Central Highlands on the south and the Aravalli range on the northwest. The flow of the rivers draining this region, namely the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and Ken, is from southwest to the northeast, thus including the slope. The Central Highlands are wider in the west by narrower in the east. The eastward extension of the Plateau are locally known as the Bundelkhand and Bundelkhand and Bhangelkhand. Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the further eastward extension drained by the Damodar river. Third point, India has two main islands groups, namely Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep consists of many small islands located opposite the Kerala coast in the Arabian Sea. The islands of this group are formed of coral deposits called atolls in Malayalam, which refer to their ring or horse shape. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, on their hand, are large in a size. They are more in a number and more widely scattered. They are about 200 islands in Andaman groups and 19 islands Nicobar groups. So for the reference, you can refer 9th grade textbook. Thank you.